Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm joining Lisa Burningham and Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic for an Entertaining for the Holidays collab. I'll be putting links to their pages below in the description box, as well as the playlist as soon as it's available. For this collab, I've decided to make a fall wreath using no glue, no ribbon, just picks, and a pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. I got this grapevine wreath at Walmart years ago. I paid around $5 for it. And I have used this for other wreaths. I try not to glue anything on a grapevine wreath so that I can keep reusing. So what I'm doing is using this grapevine wreath and a bunch of picks that I have from the Dollar Tree. And these are the picks that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they've got little pumpkins on them. And I also have one of their styrofoam pumpkins, which I'm going to paint because, to be honest with you, it's a nice sized pumpkin, but I cannot stand this in-your-face orange. So I'm going to be using a little burnt orange on this. Okay, I'm going to just cut these down, and I'll be tucking them in around. I'm not using ribbon this time. I'm keeping this really simple. Okay, I cut all of my picks and I separated them. I have pumpkins over here and different little berries here. And these are just leaves. And the first thing I'm going to do, since I have 4, although you know how much I like odd numbers, since I'm not using any ribbon, I'm going to put these northeast, south, and west. And I'm going to do that just by tucking it in the grapevine. And the grapevine will hold it in place. And I'll be back after I get them placed. Okay, I've got the pumpkins all tucked in, nice and secure. Now the next thing I'm going to do is put the berries in. And I have 5, 6, I have 10. So I'm going to put a berry cluster on either side of each pumpkin. Okay, now that I've got the berries on either side of the little pumpkins, I'm just going to fill in all these empty spaces with some of the picks that have just plain leaves. And just add the color in here as it needs it. Okay, I put 2 more bunches of the leaves in between each, and I'm going to fill in some of the other little spots that are slightly bare with everything that I have left over. And there it is, all filled in with the leaves and the berries and the pumpkins. And I could leave it at just this, but I'm going to add one more thing. I am using Apple Barrel Spiced Carrot, and it's a burnt orange shade of paint. And I have some brown. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one or not, but I'll be using this for that. And I'm just going to give it a nice coat of this orange. And you can see the difference, I hope, that this shade of orange makes. And it's not that super bright in your face orange anymore. And we'll be back after that's painted. Okay, the paint's dry, and I actually had to use 3 coats to get a really good coat on it. And I'm sure you're thinking, it doesn't look that different. There you can see the before and the after. And like I said, I don't like that in-your-face orange. It's just entirely too bright, and it takes over. So, what I'm going to do is, I've got a skewer here, and I'm going to cut it. And just poke this right in the center. And this pumpkin feels hollow. So I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue just to keep the skewer where I want it. Okay, the hot glue is dry, and this is exactly where I want it. And all I'm going to do is feed this skewer down into the wreath. And again, I'm not gluing anything into this wreath. But I do think this needs moved. And I'm going to call this done. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.